Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable and get back Windows Photo Viewer as default image viewer on Windows 10. Copy link in description and paste it. Click download. Click show in folder. Right click, click merge. Click run. Click yes to continue. Click yes to continue. Right-click any picture file, click Open with. Click Choose another app. Click More apps. Select Windows Photo Viewer. Check always use this app to open files. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.